Hello, folks. Well, many of you seen my paper airplane video and my conversion of a toy Balsa airplane with the Birdy 2.0 powered flight unit. I really like this thing. So I wanted to try it on another one, this time the rubber band airplane. And here's how it went. There you go, folks. I'm sure having fun with this little power plant contraption. It's great on lots of different things. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Take care. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer, and we'll see you on the next episode.